What is research design? How is the term "research design" to be used in this book? An analogy might help. When constructing a building, there is no point ordering materials or setting critical dates for completion of project stages until we know what sort of building is being constructed. The first decision is whether we need a high-rise office building, a factory for manufacturing machinery, a school, a residential home, or an apartment block. Until this is done, we cannot sketch a plan, obtain permits, work out a work schedule, or order materials. Similarly, social research needs a design or a structure before data collection or analysis can commence. A research design is not just a work plan. A work plan details what has to be done to complete the project, but the work plan will flow from the project's research design. The function of a research design is to ensure that the evidence obtained enables us to answer the initial question as unambiguously as possible. Obtaining relevant evidence entails specifying the type of evidence needed to answer the research question, to test a theory, to evaluate a program, or to accurately describe some phenomenon. In other words, when designing research, we need to ask, given this research question or theory, what type of evidence is needed to answer the question or test the theory in a convincing way. Research design deals with a logical problem and not a logistical problem. Yin, 1989, 29. Before a builder or architect can develop a work plan or order materials, they must first establish the type of building required, its uses, and the needs of the occupants. The work plan flows from this. Similarly, in social research, the issues of sampling, method of data collection, e.g. questionnaire, observation, document analysis, design of questions are all subsidiary to the matter of "what evidence do I need to collect?" Too often researchers design questionnaires or begin interviewing far too early, before thinking through what information they require to answer their research questions. Without attending to these research design matters at the beginning, the conclusions drawn will normally be weak and unconvincing and fail to answer the research question. Design versus method. Research design is different from the method by which data are collected. Many research methods texts confuse research designs with methods. It is not uncommon to see research design treated as a mode of data collection rather than as a logical structure of the inquiry. But there is nothing intrinsic about any research design that requires a particular method of data collection. Although cross-sectional surveys are frequently equated with questionnaires and case studies are often equated with participant observation, e.g. White Street Corner Society, 1943. Data for any design can be collected with any data collection method. How the data are collected is irrelevant to the logic of the design.